Yeah, I just forgot to do it. Like one of the easier stars too. All I had to do. I would say speedrunning peaked at like 2016, maybe 2018. Honestly, funny enough, speedrunning was more popular before Twitch was like mainstream. I feel like now that Twitch is more normie. That's true. I remember when GDQ, you used to be like somebody, mine alcoholic or something? Why? My hair? Yeah, I just forgot to do it. Okay. I need to not only hide until my police meter goes down. Bro, I'm never beating this fucking game. I'm just gonna be honest. I think we're cooked, boys. I think we're just fucking cooked. I don't think I'm ever gonna beat this shit. I don't know how to, Oh, I just ate the fucking chocolate! I needed the chocolate. I beat it when I was like 10. Yeah, well, guess what? I'm not 10 anymore, so I clearly can't. Hurry up for what? What did I do? What did I do? You know what? Fuck you, Ralph. Bitch. I thought. Taking your clothes. Oil up. Oh. This reminds me of zombies. I'm gonna hide in the cabinet. Until I'm safe. Yeah, it's like zombies. I'm training the guards. Run a train on these hoes. Wait, no, that's not what I meant. Holy fuck, chat, look at this. You guys want to see something cool? This short has 8,000 views in one day. I'll be honest, the short I posted before was kind of shit. And I was really just testing my luck on it. What? No way. Amateur numbers suck my nuts. Did I stutter? Dude, what the fuck did I do? Fucking pick your bed sheets up and throw them on the ground, bitch. Oh my god. I did do that. What do I need again? Duggery. I have his hand cream. I need a cookie for Puggles, but you can get that. Duggery walks by, I'll give it to him. In the meantime, I'm getting swole. Wait. Oh, yeah, sorry, Nightbot. Oh, are you fucking kidding me? That timing's so bad. I'm gonna beat the fuck out of Nightbot. No weapons? Yeah. Oh no, I needed to beat up Ace for Nightbot. Fuck. Wait, no, Duggery. Fuck. I didn't do shit, officer. It was somebody else. I swears to you. I didn't done do shit. I was just I needed to beat up Ace, bro. Okay, well, this is easier because now I can give the hand cream for Duggery. I think Duggery's here somewhere. Duggery's lying dead on the ground.